AI is everywhere these days, and it's transforming the way people make money online. If you're looking to start an online business from home, these AI tools can help you get set up fast and boost your efficiency. I'll walk you through the 5 best AI tools to help beginners like you get started on your money-making journey. Stick with me, because I'll break down each tool step by step. Tool number 1, Hostinger AI Website Builder. Let's start with Hostinger's AI Website Builder, which is perfect for setting up affiliate marketing websites. Here's how you can use it to create a fully functional site in minutes. Sign up for Hostinger. Click the link in my description, create an account, and select the AI Website Builder. Choose your niche and website type. Think about what topic you want your site to focus on. Let's say you're interested in tech reviews. Choose blog or review site as your website type, then name your brand like Best Tech Reviews and add a short description, such as this site reviews tech products like laptops, cameras, and smartphones. Launch the AI Builder. Hit Create Website, and the AI will build out your site with a homepage, blog structure, and product review pages. Customize as needed. You can update details like your email, social links, and any specific text. Just click on each section to edit or delete, and make changes until you're happy. Go live. When your site is ready, hit Publish or go live. That's it. Your affiliate marketing site is ready in a fraction of the time it would usually take. This tool saves you hours, if not days, and it's great if you want to monetize your site through affiliate links right away. Tool number 2, Google's Gemini AI Text Chatbot. Next, Google's Gemini AI is like having an AI brainstorming assistant who's up to date with current trends. It's especially useful for generating ideas for affiliate marketing, and here's how to get the most out of it. Access Gemini AI. Just search Google Gemini and sign up for free with your Gmail account. Find profitable niches. If you're uncertain about the best niche to pursue, type in a prompt like, "What are the 10 most profitable niches for affiliate marketing?" Gemini will list suggestions like tech, finance, health, and more. Generate brand names. After picking a niche, ask Gemini to suggest brand names. For instance, type, "Suggest 10 brand names for a finance affiliate website." It will generate name options tailored to your niche, so you can choose or mix ideas. Identify affiliate products. Next, type a prompt like, "Suggest affiliate programs in the finance niche with commission rates." Gemini will list popular programs and their payouts, giving you an idea of what's available in your niche. Request content ideas. If you're ready to start adding content, ask Gemini to generate blog post ideas, or even draft blog outlines. For example, try a prompt like, "Write a blog outline for a tech product review site." You'll get detailed suggestions you can refine for your audience. This tool helps with brainstorming and organizing, saving hours of research time. Tool number 3, Dropshipping Copilot. If you want to save time sourcing products for dropshipping, Dropshipping Copilot is designed for just that. Here's how you can use it to simplify your product selection. Sign up for free, access Dropshipping Copilot through the link in my description, and create a free account. Search for suppliers. Click Find Suppliers and enter a prompt like "Show winning pet products with fast shipping." Analyze the results. The AI will list products, including data on how many times each has sold, recent order volume, and estimated shipping times. Add to Shopify. Choose products you like and add them to your import list. Once you link your Shopify store, these products are automatically added to your site. Optimize product images. The tool offers an AI background remover for product images, creating a clean, professional look that improves conversions. Finalize your selections. Review the products and adjust titles or descriptions as needed before they go live in your store. Dropshipping Copilot gives you direct access to in-demand products with minimal setup effort, making it ideal for dropshippers looking for trending items. Tool number 4, InVideo AI for content creation. For those interested in promoting their products through social media, InVideo AI can quickly create short-form video content. Here's how it works. Set up an account. Sign up for free on InVideo's site through the link in my description. Generate video content. To create a promotional video, enter a prompt like, "Make a 30-second video showing a cat playing with a toy." Include details about what you're selling and your call to action, like, "Visit the link in bio for more." Customize as needed. InVideo will instantly generate a video with footage, background music, and voiceover. You can edit each component by clicking Edit if you want to change the music, voice, or text. Preview and export. Once you're satisfied with the video, click Export, and you'll have a ready-to-upload short for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. This tool lets you create professional, high-quality videos for promoting your products, helping to attract more traffic with minimal effort. Wrap up and additional tips.